Welcome to Auto Avenue, your go-to channel for in-depth automotive content, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of cars and motorcycles. Today, we dive into the 2025 BMW S1000 RR, a high-performance superbike that continues to push the boundaries of speed, technology, and precision engineering. Built for those who crave adrenaline and cutting-edge innovation, the 2025 model refines the already impressive S1000 RR platform with enhanced features and improved performance. The heart of the 2025 BMW S1000 RR remains its 999cc inline-4 engine, but with improved tuning to deliver even more power and efficiency. The German spec model produces around 210 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production superbikes on the market. This increase in power is complemented by an improved torque curve, ensuring strong acceleration across the rev range. The engine benefits from BM's shift cam technology, which optimizes valve timing for better low-end torque and high-end performance. This not only enhances rideability but also ensures maximum power delivery when needed. BMW has fine-tuned the chassis for the 2025 model, making it even more agile and responsive. The aluminum bridge frame has been revised for better flex characteristics, improving handling and stability at high speeds. The suspension setup includes fully adjustable front and rear units, allowing riders to customize the bike's behavior based on their riding style and road conditions. The dynamic damping control system further enhances ride quality by automatically adjusting suspension settings in real time. The 2025 S1000 RR comes equipped with an advanced electronics package that includes multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. The latest iteration of BMW's dynamic traction control system provides more precise power management, ensuring optimal grip on various surfaces. The launch control system and quick shifter make aggressive acceleration and seamless gear changes effortless. The IMU-based electronics continuously monitor the bike's movement and adjust settings to maintain stability, even under extreme riding conditions. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the 2025 model, with redesigned winglets that provide increased downforce. These winglets help keep the front wheel planted during acceleration, improving overall stability and control. The revised fairing also enhances airflow, reducing drag while maximizing cooling efficiency for the engine and braking system. BMW has updated the braking system with high-performance calipers and larger discs for better stopping power. The combination of Brembo brakes and BMW's ABS Pro system ensures precise and controlled braking, whether on the track or the street. The lightweight wheels further enhance handling by reducing unsprung mass, making the bike more agile in corners. The 2025 S1000 RR features a full-color TFT display with improved graphics and additional customization options. The user-friendly interface allows riders to access ride data, adjust electronic settings, and navigate through different menus with ease. Connectivity features such as smartphone integration and GPS compatibility make the riding experience even more convenient. The keyless ignition system and electronic steering lock add an extra layer of modern functionality. BMW offers several optional packages for the 2025 S1000 RR, including the M package, which adds carbon fiber wheels, an upgraded chassis, and a lightweight lithium battery. This package reduces overall weight and enhances performance for riders who demand the best track-focused experience. Other optional upgrades include a titanium exhaust system for improved sound and weight reduction, as well as premium seat options for added comfort during long rides. In terms of styling, the 2025 S1000 RR continues to feature its aggressive and futuristic design. The asymmetrical headlights, a signature of previous models, remain a defining characteristic, while new color options and graphics enhance its visual appeal. The compact and aerodynamic bodywork not only looks stunning but also serves a functional purpose in improving performance. For riders who want a high-performance superbike that excels on both the track and the street, the 2025 BMW S1000 RR is an exceptional choice. With its combination of raw power, advanced technology, and refined engineering, it remains one of the most competitive motorcycles in its class. Whether you are an experienced rider pushing limits on the track or a passionate enthusiast looking for a thrilling ride, the S1000 RR delivers an unmatched experience. That wraps up our look at the 2025 BMW S1000 RR and its impressive specs and features. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles and cars, make sure to subscribe to Auto Avenue. Hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.